The Creuset 3-ply stainless steel collection cooks quickly, efficiently, and is perfect for everyday use. Its special 3-layer construction absorbs heat quickly and spreads it evenly from base to rim. You can use 3-ply stainless steel on any type of hob, including induction and in the oven. Laser-etched capacity marks and large helper handles are thoughtful touches to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Close-fitting lids plus even heat spread and retention allow cooking of vegetables and fruit in very little liquid to retain nutrients, colour and flavour. Whilst the smooth, mirror-polished interior releases food easily without sticking and is easy to clean. Experience the outstanding performance of Creuset 3-ply stainless steel. Tested, trusted, guaranteed for life.